So a lot of times, those traders that used to trade in stocks only, they ask me questions like, okay, well, Leonard, how do you get a 500% return in one day? Or how do you get a 300 or even a 400% return? Well, without stock alerts, it's very, very simple. And I'm going to show you specifically on this Amazon example of how you would have been able to generate anywhere from 3 to 500% return in the last 24 hours. Or actually, this morning, you would have been able to literally do that in the last 60 minutes. So take a look. So here the example of the alert that would have been delivered directly to your phone yesterday. Amazon 1745 puts at, specifically it states the price at which we entered the position, which was 9.8. Current price is stated there as well, 1749, and target price 1717. Now, let's go back to the chart today, which is also another alert we've sent was Amazon puts at 5.5. We recommended it at a price of 1755 and a target of 1725. So here's what we've got, okay? Today, Amazon traded earlier as high as 1763. Then, guess what we see? A low of 1717. Now, the alert on that was actually sent the day prior to these drop from 1760 to 1717 actually taking place. Now, if we go back to the alert to help you understand how this works and how simple this is, check this out. So those options that were recommended yesterday at 9.8 entry price were worth at the target reached at 1717, almost $30 each. So that would have produced a return of close to 300%. On the option alert that was sent earlier, just an hour ago, of 5.5, by the time the target price was reached, these options were worth over $20, which is a 400% return. If you would have taken this position out at the target price that was set yesterday at 1717, this would have been a 500% return. Here's an example of another option alert which you would have received literally half an hour ago on IQ. Clearly, if you take a look at these graphs, stock prices do drop much faster than they actually rise. So maybe you don't have the time to sit in front of the computer all day like we do and study the charts and study the graphs and study the news and study the different catalysts that could be moving these stocks higher. So if that's the case, simply take action. Click the link below, sign up for the option alerts, and just take action as soon as they get to your phone. It's that simple. If you're a stock trader that would like to learn more information about how to trade options and how options work, or if you're a veteran trader that are looking for new strategies and how to trade options to maximize your results, I have actually recorded an interactive video course where I explain how I set a record of trading 12,000 and turn it to 466,000 in less than 7 hours trading options from my laptop. I know it sounds ridiculous, but it is true, and I'll take you behind the scenes, explain you every little detail for every trade, every stock option that was placed that day. I'll basically show you exactly everything 100% transparently. I'll even send you my brokerage statement. So here's the deal. In this course, you will be able to learn all the details behind my strategies, specifically why did I place the trades on the day that I placed the trades. Literally, in this course, I pack a decade of experience from my day trading activities. So don't miss out. Click the link below right now. Save yourself time, save yourself energy from researching it. All this information I have compiled in a very simple course for you. Take action now and make your 2018 your most profitable trading year ever.